Today, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to create a photo package using Memento Composite. Click on the Composite tile to create a new project. Let's name it Sunnyvale, then click Create. I'm setting up my photo sheet to print on an 8 by 10 size with no bleed and no safe area in this case. Once that's done, click on the Index tab to import your PSPA file. Then click Import and select Import Standard PSPA file. Double-click on the index file to import it into your project. Now, navigate to the Editor tab to create your package template. Click on Add Composite Frame to create the composite frame. Make sure to resize all sides to fit your sheet size. After resizing, click on Main Settings to define how your portraits will flow in the project. I want one student per page. Select Volume, then Yearbook, and finally, IntelliFlow. This setting tells Memento Composite to process one student at a time. Depending on your PSPA file, the settings might vary slightly, but the concept remains the same. The default template isn't suitable for my needs since I want to create a sheet with multiple photos of different sizes. Click on Portrait Template to expand the options. Click on the Portrait Template combo box selector to view available templates. By default, there are 3 templates that come with Memento Composite. However, I have already created 2 custom templates. Let's select Picture Package. Now, we see a template with multiple photos of different sizes. Click on Edit Portrait Template so I can show you how to modify them. I'm now in the Template Editor. On the top left, you can see the current template, which you can change. You can also update the size of this template. In this case, I want an 8 by 10 size. Within the template editor, I have full access to make adjustments. I can click on a photo to move it, resize it, and more. However, the goal of this video isn't to delve into all these details. Let's create a new template based on the current one, because I want a few photos in black and white. I'll select those 2 photos and set them to black and white. I'll also make them a little bit sharper. As you can see, you have full creative control. Once satisfied, click on Save As and name it Picture Package 3. You can now see the result automatically updated. I can also select another template, such as Picture Package 2. Notice that in this template, I've added automatic fields for the first and last name, as well as the grade. With everything set up, the final step is to click on Generate Composite Set to process all students. And voila, you can now export all of them, ready to sell. Please note, you can even make small, a la carte changes to individual students if needed. That's it. Creating a photo package with Memento Composite is straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching.